It's time to refine who you are so that you can thrive as your higher self. On Sunday, we have Mercury finally moving forward out of the retrograde. We have Venus sextile Estrella. Sunday would be a wonderful day to reflect on everything that you've gone through. Allow yourself to be proud of where you are right now, because all of us have been asked to evolve at a faster pace than usual given these circumstances of 2021 and 2020. So take a moment on Sunday to just be proud, to just recognize where you used to be and where you are now, recognizing all the obstacles that you've overcome, all the emotions that you've transmuted. And because you've been able to do it, recognize that everybody else is doing it as well at their own capacity, at their own pace. And if you see people on your path that are going through what you've already gone through or in a similar way, allow yourself to be the leader. Allow yourself to help them. Because we have to remember that we're stepping into an age of Aquarius, which is all about cohesiveness. It's all about coexistence. It's all about being the one that is the change, being the one that sees the potential. Okay, so if you have people in your life that maybe in the past you didn't necessarily get on with, allow yourself to see how you can create cohesiveness now, right? Especially if they're going through similar experiences that you've already gone through, because you've overcome things in your life that have made you a better person. And because you've been able to do it, everybody else can do it as well. Because then on Monday we have the moon in Cancer trine the sun in Pisces. On Monday, be patient. Be patient if you wish to overcome karma. Because when we think about karma, we think about that it's just the reflection of our inner world, right? We're calling in things to our life all the time. And if we want to overcome these negative experiences, what we can do is hold it down and see the divine in others. See the potential for connection, see the potential for cohesiveness versus more separation and segregation. So on Monday, allow yourself to be patient with all relationships that you have in your life, realizing that they are there to teach you a lesson. And the more that you can add positivity and love to those situations, the easier it is going to be to transmute that negativity and to evolve further into your higher self. Okay, because then on Wednesday we have the Mars trine Pluto. Wednesday is a wonderful day to really see how the actions of the seeds that you've created, you can see the fertility, because you're going to be able to see the opportunity for you to passionately embody that which you wish to become. When you look at all the actions you've taken and all the seeds that you've planted, Wednesday is the day to really step into that role. Not only because you want to, but because you're being asked to. Society needs you to. The people in your life, the collective, the culture that you exist in need you to actually embody that role. Because you've planted the seeds, you've asked to manifest this role, it's become needed. Right? And so we have to look at this interplay between what we wish to become, what we're trying to manifest, and how the universe provides that opportunity for us. And so as that opportunity is provided for you to become that which you planted the seeds to become, allow yourself to embody that, knowing that you need to transform the foundations in your life. Transform and let go of the ritualized patterns of existing that you've just been kind of partaking in that probably are no longer serving you and you no longer identify with at all. And as you step into this role, allow yourself to see how you're fulfilling a void in society as well, helping society move out of old ways of existing. Because then on Thursday, you're going to notice, as Jupiter is trine the north node, sextile the south node, and the sun is sextile Uranus, you're going to notice the expansive duality that exists in our world. But you're also going to notice and need to recognize how maybe your own beliefs and philosophies are creating duality. And so Thursday would be a wonderful day to really recognize in your immediate environment, by the people existing there and just your immediate environment in general, just recognizing, are your beliefs and philosophies inclusive enough to create cohesiveness amongst your immediate reality? Or are your own philosophies and beliefs part of the problem? And can you refine your philosophies and beliefs in order to create cohesiveness? So maybe not labeling your beliefs, right? So if religion is a thing, take out the name of the religion and instead stick to the core aspect that is the truth that you believe in. Because you want to focus on oneness, focus on the vision that's going to create the cohesiveness for the future. Because the more you can focus on oneness, the more you're going to have the ability to prepare for the future, to embody a higher version of yourself. Because really, we want to create that cohesiveness right now. The more you can do that, the easier your life is going to be. The more you can take responsibility for creating cohesiveness, the easier your life is going to be. Because we want to be able to be the leader, because that's what we are all being asked to do in the age of Aquarius, is be a leader. No longer stepping aside and saying it's your fault, it's her fault, it's his fault, whatever. No, this is your responsibility, my responsibility, all of our responsibility to create cohesiveness and be responsible for our beliefs and philosophies and our actions and how they are adding to the collective experience. And so Thursday is a wonderful day to just take that responsibility, keeping in mind oneness, keeping in mind that vision. And the more you have that vision in the forefront of your mind, the more you're going to be able to see the potential for the future to have that cohesiveness. Because on a Saturday, when we have that full moon in Virgo, this is really recognizing how, yes, you're being asked to embody the unique original version of yourself at a faster pace. You're really being asked to step into this person that you want to be and you're meant to be, but maybe you wanted more time. Well, it's not really how the world is working right now. Things are moving really quickly. And so just allow yourself to, if you want to take time, just first things first, get rid of what's not you. It's very simple, right? There's an abundance of who you're being asked to be. And so if people are placing expectations on you and you know that you are not that at all, that this is not a part of your reality, allow yourself to let it go so that you can embody the most original version of yourself, the most unique medicine that you are to the collective. Okay? Because you are a specific energy that is meant to be present on this planet Earth right now, and you are essential. And if people are asking you to be things that you're not, you have all the right in the world to say, that is not me and this is not part of my reality. Because you need to be you fully and completely, and that intensity, that fullness that you're experiencing probably has something to do with those expectations that are being put on you. So relieve that stress and pressure by just being you fully and completely. You're enough. You're exactly who you need to be. And when we start that process, like I was saying on Sunday, and really recognize everything that we've gone through, how we've evolved, this can help you throughout the week. Because when we reach that full moon, this can help you recognize what you are not anymore, and how you need to continue to evolve to embody this person that you're meant to become. Because on Wednesday, when you get touches of that, right, when society is asking you to become who you're meant to become, it's going to be apparent. Okay, so all of this will begin to make sense as the week goes forward, and I'll post these videos like I always do. I break them up day by day by day and post them on Instagram and Facebook so that you can see on that day what the energy is to expect. So anyways, if you would like a personal reading, you can contact me at 11kaivarose33.com. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, all those lovely things. And you can also have these videos sent directly to you. If you would like that, you just sign up on my website and they are there. Other than that, I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon.